So today we're going to make Keema Matar, or ground beef or ground meat and peas, Indian style, nice and spicy, doesn't take long, it's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So here I've got 2 decent sized tomatoes that I've cut quite small. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato if you can. Here I've got some minced beef. There's about 500 grams there, which is just over a pound. 1 cup of onion, I've cut that really small. 1 cup of garden peas. These are a frozen pea. I'll just put them into some warm water just for a few seconds. 1 teaspoon each. The big 4, if you're regular, you've heard me say this 1,000 times. So 1 teaspoon of chili, turmeric, coriander and cumin. A tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the two. Fresh chili, entirely up to you how much you want to put in. And then I've got there 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. So this is minced beef or ground beef, or what we're cooking today, keema. Keema means minced or minced meat, and the matar is peas, so that's why we're doing today keema matar. Let's get moving. Okay, let's get started. The heat's on. I've just put it on. It's above medium. In there I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could use something different if you want. We're just going to drop in those cumin seeds and let them do their thing just for a few seconds in that hot oil. They'll really kind of infuse the oil, give it a lovely flavour. Then what we're going to do is we're going to drop in the ground or minced beef or keema, and then we're going to fry this just by itself for about 4 minutes. I'll be breaking it up as I stir it. Okay, as you can see, that's broken down. What we're going to do next is we're going to drop in that 1 cup of onion, which I've cut really nice and small. We're going to add the garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the two. You can buy it in jars if you live near a kind of Asian type store, or you can make it yourself. We make our own because we use so much of it here. I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to add my fresh chili, and we're going to stay on this vibrant heat for another 3 minutes. Keep it moving all the time now. Beautiful, very easy, this dish. Okay, let's drop in those tomatoes now. Couple of decent size fresh tomatoes along with our spices. Let's just take one more look, shall we? 1 teaspoon each, chili powder, turmeric, cumin, coriander, in that goes. We're now going to drop in 1 cup of the peas. Stay on this kind of nice vibrant heat again, above medium. What we want is those tomatoes to break down. They might give off a little bit of moisture. About 5 minutes, I think. Okay, and there you go. Look at that, beautiful. Those tomatoes will cook down and give us enough moisture. Now I like it just like this. If you want it with a bit more liquid in it, you could just add some water there, but that's job done. Check it for salt. Heat goes off. A little bit of cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, in it goes. Give it a mix. Beautiful. And there you go. That is fantastic with rice or with some roti, chapati or paratha or something like that. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.